Pretty face with a bad attitude. Working like I got too much to lose. Built it up 1, 2 by 2s. I wanna know.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Y'all know y'all girl been MIA. I'm back in action now. So I'm like, you know what? I'm like, you know what? Hold on. Let me see. Why is this thing? All right, is that good? Is that good? Can y'all see me? Let me back up a little bit. Back up. Hey y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all have been missed dearly, honey. Okay, but let's get into it. So I have moved into my 2-bedroom, 2-bath luxury apartment in the heart of New York City. Woo! You already know myself, well as the boys, spent 8 months in the shelter this last time around. I stayed down till I came up. I was obedient to the Lord. I didn't depend on nobody. You know what I'm saying? This is all me, honey. I got a rooftop pool. We got a theater room, a game room. We got a library, a green room. We got so many good amenities. Like, this is where I always wanted to be. This is where I'm supposed to be, honey. Me and my kids living good. My ring light just died, so hold on, let me put it back on. But anywho, honey, this is right where me and my kids are supposed to be. And the haters is hating because they thought I was about to be down bad. But no, honey. But I'm going to insert some videos and stuff right here of Joseph and Aiden. You know, us enjoying the pool, the amenities. I'm going to get back in the groove. I got to let my ring light charge a little bit. It's just going to keep dying. Like, I don't understand it. If it's on the charger, why it just won't. You know what I'm saying? There's always something. Switch y'all angle up. Of course you got Aiden, but then again, it's still not giving the good light. Like, what, I gotta come down here and talk to y'all for some good light? All right, I guess I gotta talk to y'all like this. Anywho, because my ring light died, I want y'all to get the good light. But anyway, so you know the vibes. We just out here enjoying our life. I'm gonna put some videos and stuff of Joseph and Aiden, you know, just having a grand time. I have met a couple of my supporters that also live in this building. Everybody is a vibe. I love it, y'all. So anywho, I'm trying to get back in the groove of things. Like, you know, I took like a 2-year break from YouTube. So what's tea? What type of videos y'all want me to post up? Y'all know I'm gonna always do my little story times. That go what I was saying, honey. But what do y'all want to see? And since I'm getting back in the groove, I'm not even gonna, like, you know how usually I could monetize my videos and all that? These couple videos for the next 5 months, I'm not even looking to get paid. I just want to get my foot back on the scene, you know? Cause I have missed so much on coming to YouTube. I gotta catch back up on all of y'all. My supporters, I gotta get back in tune. Like, what's tea? What's going on with y'all? And if you don't know, you need to follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna put my TikTok somewhere up here so y'all could, you know, really be in the loop with me. Cause I do a bunch of giveaways over there on my TikTok channel. And on top of that, it's just, I like for real, I got real used to doing short form. I'm sorry, I can't even talk. I got so used to doing short form content that, yo, TikTok has become my life. You get what I'm saying? But I'm like, nah, I got to get back to where I started from. I started over here with y'all, okay? And y'all the real supporters because, honey, TikTok is so wishy-washy. The same breath they love you, they hate you. It's just a mess over there. But anywho, and I'm so sorry because it's just like, what, 2 weeks ago I came on here with that TikTok drama and it's just like, I haven't even really posted like consistently in like 5 months for real. Even though I'm saying like I took a 2-year break, but y'all know me, I used to be on YouTube consistently, day and night, live, giving y'all the tea, okay? But yeah, that's why I'm saying like for 2 years, I feel like I really haven't been consistent, even though the last video I posted was like 5-6 months ago. But y'all get the drift. Anyway, but it's back to regular programming, honey. I'm ready. It's like, yo, I gotta take this serious. I got the platform, like I got it in me. Like some people don't have it. I got it. You get what I'm saying? So I gotta, you know, take advantage of it while I can. But anywho, this week, Saturday is Aiden's birthday. I got one more gift to package. Well, not package, but anyway, Aiden's birthday is on Saturday, so I already wrapped up some of his gifts. I let him open up one gift yesterday, which was his headphones. So let me show y'all the gifts. Well, I can't show y'all the gifts, but I already got three of them wrapped up. This is one. This is another gift, and he got another gift over here. Hold on, let me get it. And yeah, my baby is turning 9. Like, what? You know, Aiden been on YouTube since he was like, what, 3 years old? Maybe 2? I gotta go back and see. But Aiden grew up on YouTube. That is so beautiful. But yeah, I'm taking them out. I got a surprise from them. I got a surprise for them. Yeah, and I can't wait. Aiden got some new sneakers. Joe got some new sneakers. They actually got a bunch of new stuff, but yeah, I ain't gonna show that in this video. I don't know, should I give you like a little house tour in this video? Y'all wanna see the crib? Y'all wanna see the crib. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a house tour. All right, guess we start with my room. You know what? I'm just gonna show you my stuff because I feel like this time around I'm bringing more private when it comes to my personal life and when it comes to Joseph and Aiden. Before, I was an open book, child. Y'all already know I was going through so many emotions. I was very emotionally immature back then. You know, I'm not even gonna say very emotionally because, you know, people was doing things to me and it triggered me in a way to, you know, just react emotionally immature. So let me rephrase that. But yeah, now it's a whole different space, honey. A motherfucker can't even get under my skin these days. Like, what? God bless you, honey. Go read the Bible, okay? And leave me alone. That's the energy I'm on. But hold on, I'm gonna show y'all my room. I'll show y'all my room. I'll show y'all the kitchen. I'll show y'all the living room. It's not furnished, you know. I'm still going through it, trying to get my stuff or whatever. I'm not gonna show y'all the boys' room, but I'll show y'all the kitchen, my room, my bathroom, and their bathroom, and living room, and the kitchen, I guess. So let's get to it. My room. This is it right here, y'all. Hold on. My bed, my canopy bed, so cute, right? I got a mini fridge over there. That's the packages. That's all the PR packages in that postal thing right there. Yeah, so that's my little humidifier. Hold on. So let me show y'all my back door. Yeah, this is my closet. My closet is mad junky. Mad stuff on the floor. Look at the top. All my clothes is up there. This is my bathroom. Child, I was just up in here, but this is my nice tub. Love that. My toilet. Look how short this skirt is. Like, yo. Cracking up. This is my living room. I have ceiling to floor windows. And yeah, this is all Joseph and Aiden's sneakers and stuff. And yeah, that's my sneakers right there. And yeah. So, oh yeah, I got a washer and dryer. Oh yeah, I put some clothes to wash earlier, but this is drying. This is my bathroom mat. I need to clean it. And yeah, so this is the dryer and the washer is at the bottom. So that's that. And this is the boys' room. Joe's in here, but I'm not showing you the boys' room. Let me see what's he doing. What you up in here doing? What? Are you playing a game? Yeah. I'm vlogging for YouTube. I know I'm not showing y'all room. I'm keeping it private. Okay, anyway, Joe's playing his game right now. Okay, so then got the kitchen. So this is my kitchen. This is all our photos that we have taken. They broke that. All right, anywho. This is a package that I just got for PR. What did they got? Oh, this is this phone stabilizer that I just got. I'm trying to learn how to work it. I really don't know how to work it. It's so complicated. And this is my stove. Yeah, I had made the boys what I made them, a grilled cheese. So yeah, microwave right there. My fridge. Nice, yeah. Okay. I don't know why this boy got this on the floor. This is the boys' bathroom. This is their bathroom. So yeah, that's that. And this is my PR closet. I call it my PR closet because all the packages I get, I just dump in here. So yeah, That's all the stuff. And John just got more stuff over there, whatever, and got it there. So yeah, that's the apartment tour. Probably the first and last apartment tour video of this apartment. I don't plan on, like, you know, I'm learning from my mistakes, okay? I did too much. So yeah. But anywho, this is all I'm giving y'all for today. I'm not going to do a long video. Y'all want a story time? Not today, but I will give y'all a story time, whatever the case may be. So yeah, your girl has arrived. Yay! Anywho, I'm gonna end the video here. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for rocking with me. We've been locked in for years now. Love y'all. Don't forget to comment below what type of content y'all want me to do now. You know, Joseph and Aiden is older now, so we could really get into the pranks and, you know, Kiki and all that. Y'all tell me what y'all want, right? Well, later. Love y'all. Mwah.